Hi friends, today we will see what is LRS or Liberalized Remittance Scheme. This is a facility for outward remittances for resident individuals. As per the scheme LRS or Liberalized Remittance Scheme, any resident individual can send to the extent of $250,000 US for any approved purposes, which we will see in detail. As we say, this LRS is available only for resident individuals. It means that this facility is not available for corporates or HUF or partnership or trust. For this organization, this facility is not available and it is available only for resident individuals. And the LRS amount limit is $250,000 US, 250. $250,000 US or equivalent of any freely convertible currencies. You can either send in US dollars or any other freely convertible currencies to the extent of or equivalent of $250,000 US. That's the limit. Next we will see what are the purposes. This LRS is possible for all current account transaction and capital account transaction or a combination of both. As you know, capital account transaction is one which alters the status of the asset either in India or abroad, and all other transactions are current account like remittances, trade activities, medical purposes, tourism, entertainment, all are current account transaction. All these purposes it is allowed, LRS facility is allowed. Then who can send this? As I told you, this is for all resident individuals including minors. Even the minors are eligible for sending outward remittances under this LRS scheme and the guardian has to sign. Next we will see what are the approved purposes for which this remittance can be made. Main is gift. For making a gift, a resident individual can send outward $250,000 US. Donation, the limit is $250,000 US. Going abroad for employment, $250,000. Maintenance of close relatives, $250,000 US. Business trips, $250,000. Private visits, $250,000 US. Medical, immigration, study abroad, $250,000. And for medical immigration study abroad, more than $250,000 US also it is allowed. That is, if for medical you have got an estimate from the hospital, the limit is up to that estimate or $250,000 US, whichever is higher. And for immigration, the amount prescribed by the country or $250,000, whichever is higher. For study abroad also, estimate from the university or $250,000, whichever is higher. These are the three changes. So we will just put it in short. The purposes, approved purposes are gift, donation, going abroad, maintenance of close relatives, medical treatment, private visits, immigration, study abroad. And all these purposes are clearly mentioned in FEMA Rules 2015. It comes under Schedule 3, just for information. And under this LRS, an authorized dealer cannot sanction any loan facility. That is, no loan can be made for the purpose of sending LRS. That's main point. And regarding the documents, simple form A2 is enough for giving or extending this facility of LRS. Earlier, ADs used to obtain an application cum declaration form. Now that is dispensed with. Only a form A2 is required. And for remittances less than US dollars to $25,000, this A2 is not required. Only the authorized dealers have to prepare a dummy A2. And loan also is possible. That is, a resident Indian can give a loan to an NRA or a PIO who is a close relative. That is, a resident Indian can extend a loan under this LRS to a close relative who is a NRA or PIO, person of Indian origin. And the limit is LRS, $250,000 US. Only that the loan should be for 1 year and there should not be any interest component. And the way of giving, method of giving loan is, it has to be credited to the NRO account of the NRI. There are some restrictions mentioned by Reserve Bank of India as to the usage of this loan. The loan should not be utilized by the NRI for chit fund activities, Nidhi company activities, plantation activity or real estate business. The amount should not be put to use for these purposes. Once again I will tell, chit fund activities, Nidhi company activities, plantation activity and real estate business. For these purposes, these are prohibited. The amount should not be utilized. Then regarding the KYC is must. It has to be compulsorily complied with. Official valid document should be obtained. And for extending the facility for any current account or capital account transaction, only a track record should be there for the customer with the authorized dealer. And for a new connection, suppose the customer is a new person who is approaching the bank for the first time, you should definitely obtain earlier bank statement for 1 year. Suppose the customer is not able to provide 1 year statement, we have to seek income tax assessment orders or income tax return filed by the customer. PAN, permanent account number, is compulsory, and authorized dealers on a monthly basis have to report to Reserve Bank of India under the ORFS, that is online return filing system. Through this system, it is mandatory for the authorized dealers to inform the Reserve Bank of India. This is in short about the LRS or Liberalized Remittance Scheme. Thank you.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in next video.